Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. It's so exciting. So as you can see, we are doing something with hair. One of my subscribers, one of my wonderful subscribers, I love all of you guys, asked me to do a video on how I straighten my hair. Now, this morning, I wanted to go to the gym, wash my hair, blow dry it, straighten it, and do all that before 12. Guess what? It's 11:22 and I have to leave at 12. So I straightened the first part and I'm going to show you how I straighten the rest because it's the same way, of course. And yeah, I hope that helps you with how to straighten your hair, how to flat iron it. Now, just to be clear, what I put on my hair, I don't put any oil. I don't put any type of moisturizer, heat spray, nothing. I probably should, but I don't. So this is just regular hair, nothing on it. But I will show you there's some things that I do at the end that may interest you and you might find kind of weird. So let's get into it, okay? Oh, by the way, I am using the Infiniti Pro Conair and I have it at between 20 and 22. And I use my Mason Pearson comb. You don't need a Mason Pearson comb. That's what I'm using. It works great. You can use a different small tooth comb. All right, let's get into it so I can finish my hair and get out of here because obviously I didn't do my time right. So yeah. What I start off with is I do it little pieces by pieces. You can see my gray, goodness, turning silver. And I part it. I comb through it. Let me turn around a bit. And what I do is I do this little bouncy thing first to get the curly part, the coarse part straight that I'm looking to straighten. Should be straight a bit. And yes, I'm taking not super small pieces. You can take super small pieces. And then I put the comb through, hold on to it, and I bring it down with me. Let's do this front part. So just in case, well, you'll see me do the rest of my head, but I want to make sure you're able to get a good view. As you guys can see, this is why I need Olaplex after I straighten my hair once a month because I just singe the crap out of it. All right. I do these little edges. If I don't feel like this is straight enough a bit, you can always go back through. Now, let's speed it up for you. All right, guys, so my hair is straight. Now, I know some of you, you're like, okay, Shawana, you have all these flyaways. You don't have any shine or sheen, or I get that. What I'm about to do now, some of you guys might think is weird, but for me, my hair smells bad after I basically singe it. And it smells like burnt hair. So what I do, I Febreze it. I shake it up. I don't put it too close to my hair because if you put it too close to your hair, it will make it wet. So I just sort of, I use a little in my hair, kind of let it drop on there to take the smell out. And you're like, well, now your hair smells like Febreze. Yeah, the Febreze kind of fades away a bit, but what it doesn't smell like is burnt hair. And that works for me. I Febreze it out. And normally I put on my Oribe Supershine Moisturizing Cream. Now, I would say don't put this on liberally because, oh, I'm running out, because the first ingredient is water. And what does water make your hair do? Curl back up. So, oh, it smells so good. So I don't mind having some flyaways. If I don't want flyaways, I put my Rodin oleo oil on it, just a few drops, and it pushes down my flyaways. But today I bought the Color Wow Pop Lock to see how that will work. And yes, my review for that will be coming up maybe Sunday or Wednesday. So let's see how this goes on to give me that glass hair. Oh, I would love to just chop my hair off right here and just, or right here, and just have that blunt look. Ooh. I'm just putting this through my hair. I did 3 pumps. You can see that pushed down my hair, definitely. All right, that is how I straighten my hair and Febreze the smell out, if you want to call it that way. I don't do anything special. You know, I wash it, I condition my hair, I blow dry it, and then I flat iron it. And this is my small little comb is my secret weapon for getting it straight. Now, if you did put some oil in it or something of that nature before doing straightening your hair, you can get a bone straight look. I've done that. This is more of my hair is blowing in the wind. I want it to be sort of bouncy a bit. So I hope that helped you guys, and have an amazing Friday. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. All right, I have a few minutes to spare. Let me hurry up and finish getting ready.